Okay, water coconut. Okay, so there's no big trunk like a normal coconut. Okay, so the root of the tree is underwater, and from the root, okay, from the root of the tree, the leaves grow. There's no body. Okay, no body. Okay, no trunk. So from the root, the leaves grow. Okay, so it's only the root and the leaves. Okay, and the root is underwater.
No coconut.
There's coconut.
Coconut.
Okay, there's coconut.
No
And the
trunk.
coconut is different. It's different from the regular coconut that you have. Okay, so the water coconut is like a big pineapple. Yeah, it's like a big round pineapple, and it's brown color. Yeah, you can eat it. Okay,
Water inside, no water.
no water. So the coconut, you can imagine the coconut is like a big pineapple. Okay, and for the coconut is a bunch. It's like a bunch of a lot of small fruits around, and all the small fruit that sticks to one core. Okay, and then there's more fruits. Okay, all around.
How big?
Yeah,
How big?
and the coconut can be like a football.
Oh.
Okay, like a football, as big as a football. But for eating the coconut, you have to cut out the small fruit. Okay, so you have to take out the small fruit, cut it in half, and then you can eat the coconut small like this, inside. Okay, yeah. So when you go there, when you sit on the bowl, you can see that. Okay, you can see that coconut fruit. Okay, and so we're gonna have something fun there. So when we go to the coconut village, because it's a village, okay, so the bus cannot go into the village, so we will stop outside, and we need to walk a little bit for about 10 minutes. Okay, about 10 minutes walk, and then we go directly to the boat. And like I tell you, one boat is big enough for 3 people. Okay, the boat is big enough for 3 people, and there are 54 of us. Okay, so we are taking 17. No, we are taking 27. 27 boats. That's a
People,
lot.
One boat.
2 people, 1 boat. Okay, and when you are on the boat, okay, please don't put your hands in the water. Okay, if you don't want to be bitten by piranha. Piranha, the fish. Okay, it eats your hands. Okay, so piranha, in Amazon River, there's a fish, small fish, eat it bite your feet, your hands, and eat your hand.
If you don't want your
Okay.
fingers, put it.
Yeah, and there's some big animals also. Okay, and I don't want you to be bitten by the big long animal. Okay, by the big fish. Okay. So just stay in the boat. Okay, don't jump into the water. Okay, don't jump into the water. Okay, don't put your hand in the water. Okay, so there's piranha, there's crocodiles in the water. Okay, so just be careful. Okay, so anyone who want to stop the boat? Anybody who want to stop the boat? No? Okay, joking. Okay, there's no crocodile there. Okay, so there's no dangerous fish there. Okay, yeah, I'm just joking. So
Only
there's no,
green snakes are there.
yeah, there's no dangerous fish. Okay, so everything is safe. Okay, so the boat is safe, the water is safe. Okay, yeah, yeah, and if you fall into the water, no problem, because the water is it's not shallow anymore, because now the water is high. Okay, so the water is normally about 1.5 meters. Yeah, it's not very deep. Okay, yeah, but you better not fall into the water. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. But you don't. Okay, this is important. Okay, you don't put your hand on the edge of the boat. Okay, because the boat is made of bamboo. Okay, and then don't put your hand on the edge of the boat, because the boats, they crash each other. Okay, so your hand could be hurt. Okay, your hand could be damaged. Okay, yeah. So you can put your feet inside the boat. Okay, and like I tell you, you don't need to do anything. You don't need to row it anything. Okay, so there's some local person that rowed the boat for you, and we are taking the coconut boat to go see the coconut village, coconut forest. Okay, and then also there's something special at the coconut village. There's a performance. Okay, there is a performance at the coconut village that they spin the boat. Maybe some of you have seen it before on internet, on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Okay, about the coconut village in Vietnam. And in that village, they have a performance, they have a dance with the boat. Okay, so there's some dancers, there's some special dancers. Okay, so they wait for you there. And they have their own boat. Okay, they have their own boat. And then when you come, they will turn on the music. Gangnam style. Okay, Gangnam style. and then they turn the music very loud, and then they spin the boat. Yeah, they use the paddle to spin the boat. Okay, very fast. Yeah, very fast. And you know, he would dance on the boat with the music. Okay, with the music. So you can see that. Okay, and that performance, he does it for free. Okay, and somebody may want to experience that. Okay, because people are allowed to sit on the boat, and then the man would dance with it. Okay, he would dance with it. He would dance with you on the boat, if you want to experience the spinning. Okay, yeah. So you can ask him. You can ask him, I want to do that. So you just move from your boat to his boat. Okay, so he can take two people sitting on both sides. Okay, and then he turn on the music. He spin the ball with you on it. Okay, but that one is not for free. Okay, so he charged for it. Okay, and the charge for the spinning is fixed. Okay, it's 1 lakh per person. Okay, if you want to do that, you pay him 1 lakh. Okay, per person. Okay, so 2 people, 2 lakhs. Okay, sorry. Yeah. You like if you do the if you do the spinning, you just give the phone to anybody. Okay, because we'll be around there. Okay, we'll be around. Just give your phone to anyone. Okay, and then you can record it. So it's gonna spin the ball for about 1 minute. Okay, very fast. Okay, if you want to be faster, you tell him faster. If it's too much, you tell him slower. Okay, so that one is optional. Okay, that thing is optional. So it's up to you. If you want to do that, you can ask him. If you don't want to do that, okay, just skip it. Okay, so we're gonna have something very fun. That is very fun. Okay, so anyone who wants to try, you should try it. Okay, but if you have like okay, it's very easy. It's really easy. Okay, yeah. If you don't want to be sick, okay, if you don't want to be like vomiting, okay, just skip that. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna have some fun there, and they have coconut there if you want to drink coconut. Okay, they have ice cream, they have cold drinks. Yeah, if you want to drink after the boat. And after the coconut village, we move to, we keep going. Okay, we go to the show. Okay, we go to the show. So we go to the show. It's called Hoyan's Memory. Okay, so we'll be at the show at the performance place around 6:30 or almost 7 o'clock. Okay, so I give you some.
MMD सही है
Monday. Hả? Yes.
Cô có chàng nó quét để có thông mua đây nè ơi đó bài sung lên tròn nhanh qua đi nhanh
வேணாம் பிள்ளை வேணாம் இப்போ எடுங்க சார்
Cái tán được mà đồng thống tôi là cháy không? Tôi đố ông đó. Tipri வெச்சா? Tôi đố ông đồng tôi đó. அவர் டென்ஷன் ஆயிட்டாரு நீங்க பேக் வெச்சது அதுல ஏதோ வேல்யூபிள்ஸ் ஏன்னா யாருமே இருக்க போறது இல்ல
தொப்பி வேணாம்
அதுல வேல்யூபிள்ஸ் இருக்கானே இல்ல நான் சொல்ல முடியாதுல்ல, திடீர்னு யாராவது எடுத்தா அவர் என்ன பண்ணுவாரு?
இந்த மாதிரி குச்சி
குச்சி குச்சி குச்சி குச்சி
குச்சி குச்சி ராக்கம்மா.
Coi ba xuống mà em nói tưởng mà sợ hỏng con có điện thoại.
சூரியக்கு சந்திரன்
சந்திரன்.
Có cái gì đưa quét.
எங்க சார் இப்ப பிரசிடென்ட் எங்க சார்?
திரும்பாதீங்க திரும்பாதீங்க.
வாட்டர் கோக் இல்ல அக்க ட்ரங்க் நத்தின ஏன் மாறி வாட்டர் கோக்
அங்கே கொள்ள போகணும்.
Ê, hơi đứa mình quay không? Hơi đứa mình bước vào quay không?
ఇవర్ నా ఏం చేసి
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే
Thank you, sir.
வச்சிருக்கானா?
இவர் குடுமி பாருங்க, அவ்வளவு பெருசா இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுங்க.
Big one. Hello. Yes. I have a new friend. His name is Tin Man Lang. Yes, Tin Man Lang. Tin Man Lang. How are you?
What's your name? What is your name?
அவரு இங்கிட்ட பேர் கேட்க மாட்டேங்குது, மாடிக்க நேம் மேடம் தான் கேட்கறாரு.
What's your name?
Ly.
Lay.
Ủa là núi lửa tay.
Có tay không mày?
Thấy giống hát nè. Đây trả hay nhã.
Mop.
Nói đây tiền nó nói đây là tôi mua đây tán khi tán họ tòa đây tòa nào là tôi bỏ lại cho họ chứ tôi mất rẻ. Hồi nếu mà bả 100 triệu là lớn rồi cái bụng giỡn hả? Ôi trời trái dữ sợ.
biết nó nó.
Cái hả?
Gila lah makan dia cuci ke makan tu.
Giờ chừng giờ đào đi mát.
Ông ở sạch làm không bôi kìa rồi cứ xài bôi nước rồi nữa là cái chữ nó không bu nữa rồi cô bôi chưa đặt nước.
Lội chứ chưa đào cái tàu. Giờ mà hé mà nó
Cái này là nước ở đây cũng nước mưa nước biển chứ còn ở trên nước ứ.
lội đó.
Không. Đây là chơi nó là mũi kéo ra ở đó thấy chưa? Đá cái gì mà.
கீழே விழுந்தாலும் காப்பாற்று.
Rau.
cả món nhanh đó mà không ai.
Đấy. Đấy. Cao cầm cái lộn được không?
கார் போல கார் யூட்டர் வச்சுட்டான்.
ஆமாம், இல்லை ரிஸ்க் வேணும்னா வேண்டாம்.
எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ரிஸ்க் எல்லாம் வேணாம். எனக்கு அந்த கார்